How to blend image in Canva. Hey everybody, it's Prolab from WebandDB. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can blend image in Canva. I will walk you through step by step, so make sure to pause till the end. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I have opened a Canva project. Now I'm going to add two images. After that, go to the left panel and then click on have. Now go to the top and then for blend image and select this one. Now here you can see two options, bottom layer and top layer. So first choose bottom layer and selected bottom layer and then click on use selected image. Now go to the top layer and then click on use selected image. Okay. Now here you can see preview blend mode. You can select blend mode, multiply, color one, and lot of option, soft light, saturation, and color. For bed, click on add to design. Now you can refresh it. And that's it. Now you know how to blend two images in Canva. Give it a try and let me know in the comment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.